Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Auto Tech. Are you looking for the top 5 best 3-channel dash cams in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 3-channel dash cams in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. REDTIGER 4K 3-channel dash cam, comprehensive protection for your drive. The REDTIGER 4K 3-channel dash cam delivers unparalleled coverage for your vehicle. Equipped with a front camera recording in stunning 4K, 2160p, plus dual 1080p rear and interior cameras, it captures every angle with crystal clear detail. Built for convenience, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures quick file transfers to your phone via the dedicated app, while the built-in GPS tracks your driving route and speed with precision. A 3-inch screen offers easy navigation, and the included 64 GB card means you're ready to go right out of the box. With infrared night vision, it excels in low-light conditions, making it perfect for ride-share drivers, commuters, or road trip enthusiasts. Designed to provide peace of mind, the REDTIGER dashcam safeguards against accidents, theft, or unforeseen events, ensuring you never miss a moment on the road. Experience reliable, all-around protection with this feature-packed device. Number 2. The ROVE R3 dashcam is the ultimate driving companion, designed to capture every moment on the road with unparalleled clarity and precision. Featuring a 3-inch IPS touchscreen, this advanced dashcam offers an intuitive interface for seamless operation. With its 3-channel recording system, the R3 simultaneously captures the front, rear, and cabin views in stunning resolutions of 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Equipped with cutting-edge IR night vision technology, it delivers crisp and clear footage even in low-light conditions. The 5G Wi-Fi connectivity allows for instant video sharing and app control, while the built-in GPS tracks your route and speed for added security. Perfect for ride-share drivers, road trip enthusiasts, and daily commuters, the ROVE R3 provides peace of mind with reliable evidence in case of incidents. With its sleek design, robust features, and high-performance capabilities, the ROVE R3 dashcam is a must-have for anyone who values safety and convenience on the road. Number 3. Capture every moment on the road with the Sarmert 2024 upgraded 4K 3-channel dashcam. This advanced dashcam features stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for both the rear and interior cameras, ensuring crystal clear footage of all your journeys. Equipped with 5G Wi-Fi, you can easily transfer videos to your smartphone for quick sharing and storage. The integrated GPS provides precise tracking of your routes, while the 3.18-inch screen offers a clear display for real-time viewing and playback. With the included free 64 GB memory card, you won't have to worry about running out of storage space. Designed for all conditions, this dashcam features IR night vision, ensuring you capture essential details even in low-light environments. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, the Sarmert 4K dashcam is your reliable companion, providing peace of mind and safety. Upgrade your driving experience today with this state-of-the-art dashcam technology. Number 4. Introducing the Vantrue E3 3-channel dashcam, the ultimate driving companion designed for safety and convenience. With an impressive 2.7K resolution and Wi-Fi capabilities, this dashcam captures every detail of your journey. Featuring 3 cameras, front, rear, and cabin, each offering exceptional clarity at 1944p plus 1080p plus 1080p, you'll have complete coverage of your vehicle and surroundings. The advanced Starvis IR night vision ensures crystal clear footage even in low-light conditions, while the 24-hour buffered parking mode provides added peace of mind when your vehicle is unattended. Voice control functionality allows for hands-free operation, letting you focus on the road ahead. Equipped with built-in GPS, the Vantrue E3 tracks your speed and location, enhancing your driving records. Ideal for ride-share drivers, families, or anyone prioritizing safety, this dashcam is an essential tool for any driver. Elevate your driving experience with the Vantrue E3, where security meets innovation. Number 5. VIOFO A229 Pro 3-Channel Dashcam, Ultimate Road Safety Companion. The VIOFO A229 Pro 3-Channel Dashcam is your ultimate partner for road safety, offering unparalleled video clarity and comprehensive coverage. Featuring 3 high-definition cameras, it records in crystal clear 4K for the front, 1080p for the rear, and 1080p for the interior, ensuring every angle is captured with precision. Its advanced Sony Starvis sensors deliver outstanding night vision, perfect for low-light driving. The A229 Pro includes a 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual-band WiFi for seamless video transfer and an intuitive app for effortless playback and settings adjustment. The built-in GPS logger tracks speed, location, and route data, adding an extra layer of security. With parking mode, G-sensor, and loop recording, the dashcam ensures uninterrupted recording and protects critical footage. Compact and reliable, the VIOFO A229 Pro is perfect for daily commutes, long trips, or rideshare drivers. Drive smarter and safer with VIOFO.